In the last video, we covered the 5 biggest cyber threats facing small businesses. Now, let's do something about it. In this video, I'm giving you 5 concrete steps you can start implementing today. No IT staff, no big budget, no technical background required. These are the first 5 actions recommended in our free SMB Cybersecurity Framework, and they cover the most common attack vectors we talked about last time. I'm Yuri Zhurov, cybersecurity consultant and founder of SMB Cybersecurity Advisors. Let's get started. 5 steps. Enable multi-factor authentication. Set up a password manager. Create a backup system. Turn on automatic updates. And write a basic acceptable use policy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do each one. Let's start with the most impactful. Step 1. Enable multi-factor authentication, MFA. This is the single most effective security control you can implement today. Microsoft's research shows that MFA blocks 99.9% of automated account attacks. Here's how it works. Even if an attacker gets your password, they can't log in without a second factor. Usually, a code sent to your phone. Start with your email accounts. Email is the master key. Whoever controls your email can reset every other password you have. Then move to your banking, accounting software, and any cloud storage. Most platforms have MFA built in, and it takes under 10 minutes to turn on. To enable MFA on Google, go to myaccount.google.com, click Security, then 2-step verification. For Microsoft 365, go to the Admin Center and enable it for all users under Security Settings. For any other platform, look for Security or Privacy Settings and search for Two-Factor Authentication or MFA. Download Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. It's free and takes 30 seconds. Important. Do this for every employee account, not just your own. Step 2. Set up a password manager. We established in the last video that reused passwords are a major vulnerability. A password manager solves this completely. It generates and stores a unique, complex password for every account your business uses. Your employees only need to remember one master password. For small businesses, I recommend Bitwarden. It's free, open source, and has a team plan. If you want more features, 1Password Teams is about $3 per user per month. Either way, this is one of the highest ROI security investments you can make. Step 3. Create a backup system. If ransomware hits your business and you have a clean, recent backup, you're back up in hours instead of paying a ransom or closing your doors. The gold standard is the 3-2-1 rule. 3 copies of your data on 2 different storage types, with 1 copy offsite or in the cloud. In practice for a small business, your working files on your computer, an automatic backup to an external drive, and a cloud backup through something like Backblaze or Google Drive. The critical part: test your backup. At least once a month, make sure you can actually restore a file. An untested backup is not a backup. Step 4. Turn on automatic updates. For everything: your operating system, your browsers, your browser plugins, your accounting software, your antivirus. Remember from the last video, attackers scan for unpatched systems within days of a vulnerability being published. Automatic updates close that window before you even know there was a risk. On Windows, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and make sure updates are set to automatic. On Mac, go to System Settings, General, Software Update, and enable automatic updates. Then do the same check for every piece of software your business uses. Step 5. Write a basic acceptable use policy. This doesn't need to be a legal document. It's a 1-page written agreement that tells your employees what they're expected to do and not do with company devices and accounts. Cover 4 things: what devices and software are approved for work, your password requirements, rules about using public Wi-Fi, and what to do if something looks suspicious. Why does a written policy matter? Because without one, your employees are making security decisions on their own, and they're making them without the context you now have. A signed policy also gives you a legal foundation if something goes wrong. One page is enough. We have a free template in the SMB Cybersecurity Framework. Here's your checklist. 5 steps, and the total time investment is less than 1 workday. Not one IT budget, not one consultant. 1 day of focused work. MFA, 10 minutes. Password manager setup, 30 minutes. Backup system, 1 to 2 hours. Automatic updates, 15 minutes. Acceptable use policy, 1 to 2 hours. That's it. If you do nothing else after this video, do these 5 things. All 5 of these steps, plus templates, checklists, and the acceptable use policy, are available in the free SMB Cybersecurity Framework at smbsecurityadvisors.com/framework. No registration, no email required. Download it, share it with your team, and start working through it this week. If this was helpful, subscribe. New video every week, all free. Next up, how to spot a phishing email. I'll walk you through real examples of phishing attempts targeting small businesses so you and your team know exactly what to look for. See you there.